Okay, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, my time. It's Friday. This is just a quick analysis on my process. So, again, I'm going to have to write this down and start following it from Monday. But I mean, I've got a process kind of in my head, but I'm not really following a strict process right now. Still trying to figure out what the entry was, but I've got it now. So it's about setting up the Asian range. First thing is setting up the charts in the morning, marking out the Asian range, marking out the time zones. So that's the 2-on-2 model. Once we've got that all set up, I'm on the 5-minute right now. So the key to the 5-minute is the balanced price range. That gives me the strong indication of the direction of travel for price, but also the liquidity on either side of the Asian range. So you can see as we come into the 3 o'clock, the protraction going down here is taking out the liquidity on this side. We get the balanced price range and this expansion, which is the reversal here. So within this area, we can hunt for a break and retest. So we have a break and retest here. We also have a break and retest here. This is the 5-minute. On the 3-minute, you can see the markups a little bit clearer here, but you've also got this one just by here. So this balanced price range takes out this balanced price range just by here, and I think this is the key to it. I need to test that over the weekend, but we do have another balanced price range just by here marked up on the 3-minute. You can't really see it on the 5-minute, but you can over here. So there's one and there's one. So I think this is why it's much clearer. When you see this is giving you an indication of what's the algorithm's doing. So as it was coming in, this was a buy mode. Now it's sell mode. Buy mode here, and then a quick hunt of that liquidity just down by here. So the sell mode there, and then it switched to buy mode. So that's the 3-minute, and you can see there's a break here. When you zoom in then to the 1-minute, this particular example happened at 3 o'clock New York time. So that's around about 8 o'clock. This was 8:30 my time. So we saw a breaker again, and this is another retest. So we have breaker on the 5-minute, break on the 3-minute with a retest, which is this one here at 8:15, and then on the 1-minute we get another break and retest. So it's like break and retest 5-minute, then a break and retest on the 3-minute, and then a break and retest on the 1-minute, and that's the entry. So that's kind of how I'm seeing it. If we capture that, so let's place a buy on the bodies of the candle. So placing our stop loss just at the bottom. So it's on this. On this, it comes back and retests the breaker here. It doesn't need to come down further than that. If it does, then we're in the wrong direction. So just placing our stop loss below this low, we do have this breaker. It could come down to this, and that's our entry. So from there, 3 to 1. 3 to 1. Let's find it. 3 to 1 is there. So we achieved that within. So where's the entry? Entry's 329. within an hour, we've hit 3-1. And if I'm going to use this one because it goes up so far, you can see how price where it is now. If I just bring it up here, and I had the software in play, that's now almost 8-1 in terms of risk reward. And the software would have extracted that out. So I need to get the software finished. Desperate.